Going on YouTube, South Paul Pete here. What I have today is a mail call from Lady Locks. We all know Lady Locks, the queen of lock sport. So what happened was, in watching the series that her and Lockheed have called Picking Time, I actually won one of the giveaways, which I suggest everybody tune in for Picking Time. It is a fantastic program where there's multiple screens of different people picking or gutting or just in general doing lock sport. Really fantastic. I've definitely found my tribe. Let's see what we got here. I know I had won a pinning tray, like a mini pinning tray. So whoa, a little heavy here. Whoa. Okay. Well, this is unreal. Looks like a Lady Locks chip or badge, rather, like a pennant. That's very cool. Very cool. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. So, along with the pennant, I got the 3D printed pinning tray. Wow, this is great. Fantastic. Thank you, Lady Locks. Also included, an Eastlands poker chip. Very sharp. Very sharp. Ooh, beautiful Lady Lock sticker. Didn't have one of these. That's going on the board for sure. Ooh, look at that. Another pennant. That is fantastic. That's gorgeous. Wow. Nice Lockheed sticker. Perfect. Oh, a snake card. Oh, I've been wanting one of these so bad. Thank you, Lady Locks. Oh my gosh. A few stickers. Please excuse me, I don't know who this is. I'll get back on that. Pick Smith. Awesome. The Truck and Lock. Truck and A, brother. Lock Chuck. I'm getting in touch with you soon, brother. I need some stuff there. Ooh, looks like an Ishan sticker. Very slick. Paracentric. I love that one. Ooh, lock picking therapy. Lock sport. That's sharp. Never seen one of those. Picking with Mick D. Poor. That's slick. Rock and roll, brother. Ooh, a John Holistic. Very nice. Dig picks. Only technique matters. That's slick. The Lockpicker 1969. A J. Gabriel. Ooh. Chris Capoon. Nice. And the piece de resistance. The Lady Locks card. Oh, wow. That is so slick, Lady Locks. Thank you very much. And there is something here. Totally unexpected. Let's see what we're rocking and rolling with here. Very heavy. Oh, no way. Oh, wow. This is a Trekmaster 30, the Rocket Man cylinder. Oh, Lady Locks. I can't believe this. Wow, look at that. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. Wow. Okay. Excuse me. Belfast with ILP 25.5. Mickey Finn Tinny. Oh, wow. This is a Yale tinny Mickey Finn. Oh, wow, that is gorgeous. Ooh. Ho, 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 ho. This would be some fun. Lady Locks coming through. Ooh, look at that. A Sledge Primus. Oh, man. Gonna be good times, boy. Good times. And last but not least, nice. A Snowflake Mini tool. Look at that. Hex keys, flathead, Phillips head, bottle opener. Oh, wow. Multifunctional tool. That is really cool. Oh, wow. It's heavy, too. Oh, this is really nice. Thank you, Lady Locks. Thank you, Lockheed. Thank you, Picking Time. Wow, what an awesome package, guys. Hey, support your people. They support you back. Thank you very much. Rock and roll. I appreciate it all. And I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day, YouTube.